Seneta we county ya Nyandarua Mheshimiwa John Methu nigo bona esokire na gukwandra Obosibore obororo Bw'Ebiama bya siasa koba ebinga sense ya Kenya kurende nigo amochire egatia barai abo bagutumikwa na serikali gochakia ebiama birache kwenekia kobaga egesakugia nsemo ya Mount Kenya.
By getting to his party, and he has seen the people of this region have gotten their own party and they have their own leader, one community, one party. One leader, Rigathi Gachagua, one party, DCP, one community, Mount Kenya. He has now decided that to cut down this community to size, he thinks that he can take us the direction of 1992. I am sorry to you, Mr. William Ruto. These wheelbarrows that are coming up, all of them, we know them. First, we knew they are coming, and we know the others that are coming. We saw one that was launched yesterday, and we were waiting for it, because we had been told that there's a wheelbarrow that is coming from Muranga. We knew that it was coming. So it does not come to us as a surprise that you have a new wheelbarrow. We actually know that there is another wheelbarrow that is coming. We know that there is a wheelbarrow that is being prepared in Laikipia, I think in Dionaka Mugu. We know there is another wheelbarrow that is being prepared from Nakuru, and many other wheelbarrows that are coming. That is your strategy number 2. And we can even preempt what will happen, because we know that after these wheelbarrows, you now introduce new presidential candidates from this region to try and divide this mountain. Let me give you very bad news. I don't know whether he's watching. Let me give you very bad news, Mr. William Ruto. Once bitten, twice shy. We were in Olkalau. And we even had parties that are our partners in the United Opposition. But the people know who their leader is, which party they belong to. And that is why they were never confused. There were 9 political parties in Olkalau. But the people of Olkalau voted for their party of choice, 86%. And I want to reiterate and buttress the fact that even those who voted for that UDA candidate, they voted for him because he's the son of a woman. And they voted for him because he's from Olkalau. I wish it was William Ruto. I honestly wish it was William Ruto. We would have actually painted the correct picture. So just bring them on. Bring them on.